On the 31st night of December 2019, during the crossover night, accustomed to the man of God who prayed on the mountain, and the Lord gave him a word concerning the world, a prophetic word for the year 2020, which he came and unveiled. This prophetic word, during crossover night, he gave 10 prophecies. Now, let's see how this unveils. God is faithful. 2020, a year of establishment, prophetic insight. We should start the year with forgiveness, prayer, and faithfulness to both man and God. He has assured us to walk with us through this perilous time. We should continue to pray for all troubled nations in the world. A well-planted bomb will be discovered in Bamenda and Anyangw. Before it's decimated, it will be stopped. It's already in the country, well planned, but the Lord will prevent it. We will get the signs sound when it happens. Let the government continue to have tight security, and let the faithful God watch over the cities. Major influential countries, individuals, will intervene in the crisis in Cameroon. They will use every means available to end the crisis, boots on the ground if necessary. Ghana should pray for her economy and political atmosphere. A group of people are planning to destabilize the country. The nation should put measures ahead of time. 4. Major outbreak of disease through an error in medicine, both in Cameroon and other places. Check imports and exports. 5. A prominent musician will leave us just like Michael Jackson. Number 6. There shall be earthquakes, fire, plane crash. 7. The president that stole a map of another country will return it back by pressure from the world leaders. It's a parable. 8. Assassination of world leaders. This was also prophesied in 2018/2019 on foreign soil. We are already seeing this. Some will be successful while others will fail. And 9. A major flood in Cameroon. 10. A group leader in Cameroon will be killed if care is not taken. It's a parable.
You can see as I'm speaking now, this is the water sea coming down. Look at the whole place. Have been destroyed. Everything around my compound have been destroyed. So you see presently, that's my gate. Everything has been destroyed. That's the water that is going down towards the neighbor's compound. You realize, I don't actually know this type of incident. I've never seen it in my entire life.
God is faithful. Prophecy is a guidance from God. We can see all these as signs of the end time. God is faithful ministry is there to strengthen the church, to prepare the church, to withstand end time challenges. That all of these things, Jesus has overcome them all. Don't give up your faith. Hold on to God. God is always with His people. If you can hold on to Him with faith during the rapture, we are all going to meet with Him. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye.
This is presently what's happening now. I just left my office. The whole of my compound is shut down, destroyed by heavy rain, water from nowhere. That I myself am damn confused.
Now happening in Buea.